Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where dreams meet architecture, and every home defines a new standard of luxury. Today, we invite you inside one of Boca Raton's most breathtaking properties, a masterpiece that redefines the meaning of elegance, sophistication, and modern American living. Nestled within the prestigious Royal Palm Polo community, this extraordinary residence at 2780 NW 69th Street stands as a symbol of perfection. Priced at $3,988,800, this property is more than a home. It's a lifestyle crafted for those who believe in living beyond ordinary boundaries. As the camera rises above the palm-lined streets, the mansion reveals its beauty like a cinematic dream. The white modern exterior glows under the golden Florida sun, reflecting off tall glass windows that frame its artistic design. Step closer, and you are greeted by a grand entrance with 23-foot-high ceilings, designed to impress from the very first moment. The marble facade and symmetrical lines speak the language of modern architecture, elegant, clean, and timeless. Inside, the air feels light and fresh, the ambiance sophisticated yet warm. The open-concept living area flows seamlessly into the dining and kitchen spaces, creating harmony between design and comfort. Every inch of this interior is furnished with Restoration Hardware's finest pieces, blending luxury with subtle grace. Natural light floods through the windows, bouncing off marble floors and soft neutral tones. Automated shades glide silently to set the perfect mood, while Savant touch panels allow full control of lighting, sound, and temperature, a perfect fusion of beauty and technology. The kitchen is an art form in itself, where culinary dreams meet elegant craftsmanship. Outfitted with a 48-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator, a Wolf 6-burner gas stove, and custom cabinetry, this space is designed for both style and performance. The marble island becomes the heart of family gatherings, while the aroma of fresh coffee and the soft hum of morning light make it feel like home. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area sits under a statement chandelier, overlooking the lush green backyard through floor-to-ceiling windows that bring the outside in. Every bedroom in this mansion tells a story of comfort and class. The master suite is a sanctuary of peace, with panoramic views, creamy soft walls, and textures that invite relaxation. The custom walk-in closets are perfectly organized, and the attached bathroom feels like a 5-star spa, featuring white marble, glass shower walls, freestanding tub, and gold fixtures that shine under natural daylight. Each guest room continues this luxury aesthetic, ensuring that every corner of this home offers both beauty and serenity. As we move through the home, you'll notice how technology enhances every experience. From the Savant home automation to Aroma 360 whole house scent diffusion, from the central vacuum system to high-resolution security cameras, everything here has been designed for effortless living. This is not just luxury you can see, but comfort you can feel. Step outside and the scenery transforms into a private resort. The saltwater pool glistens under the afternoon sun, surrounded by marble decking and perfectly manicured artificial turf. Palm trees sway gently, and soft ambient lighting creates an evening atmosphere straight out of a dream. This backyard is made for entertainment, from lively summer parties to peaceful sunset evenings spent in tranquility. The garage is equally impressive, spacious enough for 3 cars, with polished flooring and modern lighting that adds another touch of refinement. Everywhere you look, the details remind you that this home is built for a life of effortless luxury. Beyond the home, Royal Palm Polo offers a community designed for excellence. Here, residents enjoy privacy, prestige, and convenience, minutes away from fine dining, designer boutiques, and Boca Raton's A+ rated schools. It's where Florida's sunshine meets the sophistication of world-class living. This masterpiece, fully furnished and move-in ready, is presented by Carlos Aline of Global Gateway Real Estate LLC. His vision and expertise bring this property to life, making it a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for anyone seeking the pinnacle of comfort and class. Special thanks to Living Proof Real Estate Photography for capturing this stunning residence in all its beauty. Their cinematic vision allows us to share every detail, every light reflection, and every emotion this home evokes. Here at American Dream Mansions, we take pride in showcasing the most exquisite homes across the United States, places that inspire, fascinate, and remind us of what the American dream truly looks like. Each mansion we feature tells a story of passion, craftsmanship, and vision. If this home has captured your imagination, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions. Stay with us as we continue to explore the most extraordinary properties in America, because your dream home might just be our next destination.